y'all, so what's up? It's your girl Danielle and I'm back with another video. So before I get into this video, make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure your post notification bell is turned on so as you get notification every time your girl upload another video. And without further ado, let's get into that video. So in today's video, as y'all read by that title, today I am going to be giving my review and basically installing this wig unit right here that I got from Ebonyline.com. I will leave the website link down below along with this unit right here. So if you want to go get you one, you can go get you one too. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. Okay, y'all, so first off, I want to say don't mind how I'm looking right now because we're finna get it all the way together with this wig that I'm about to show you all. This right here is the unit that I will be installing today onto my hair. It is from the Vivica A-Fox hair collection. It is a layered Spanish wave synthetic headband wig. It comes with this black velvet headband attached to it with two hair combs, one in the front and one in the back so that you can connect to your head. Also, when you hook the headband onto it so that it is very secure. I've been wanting to try a headband wig for the longest, and when I seen this one I was like, yes, I definitely gotta have this, and I really wanted this color because I just thought it was so super cute. So this is what it looks like, y'all. It's pretty long. I'm not for sure how long it is because it didn't really say on the website or on the packaging when I got it, but it is like really long and it is layered out. I really love this curl pattern. Like, it's really cute. Like, and also, y'all, this is in the color of TT1B/30, and they also had this in other colors. So of course, if you want to try this wig, they have other colors that you could choose from. The hair is like really soft. It doesn't even feel synthetic. Like, I've had synthetic hair before and it's like all rough and stuff, but this right here is very soft. And as you can see, I'm just like running my hands through it. You are able to put heat to this. You can do from 352 degrees to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. So yes, let's get ready to install this hair. Okay, so I have connected the hair clip to the back of my head. Now what you're seeing me do is try to set the headband on my head and position it to how I want it. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit. The hair kept getting stuck onto the headband as I was trying to connect it, but I was finally able to get it together. This was the most quickest and easiest wig I've ever installed. Okay, y'all, so I have successfully put on this wig unit. If you want more styles to your hair, you can put out little baby hairs. Y'all, this is so super cute. Like, I am really in love with this hair and this hair color. So I'm gonna do like a spin around to show you all what it looks like. Also, since it has like the headband, you can also style it like in different ways. Like, you can do, you know, like half up, half down, a regular ponytail, or even a bun. You know, just any cute little styles. Like, it'll be super cute. And y'all, I know I keep saying this, but I am really loving this wig, y'all. Make sure y'all go ahead and check out Ebonyline.com, and also I will have the link to this unit right here that I have down below in my description box. And yes, go ahead and get you a headband wig. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure that you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl uploads another video. And without further ado, I will talk to you on my next video. Peace.